Power on. Click Preparation, Filament, Retract. OK. Waiting for filament retraction to complete. Pull out the filament. Click Movement, Temp 30 mm, Move Z, X, Y to lower the print bed and position the nozzle at the center. Click Cooling, turn on model fan. Wait for the nozzle temperature to drop to room temperature. Power off and unplug the power cord. Unscrew the screws and loosen the nozzle bus fixed block. Remove the fan cover, unscrew to screws. Unplug the connecting wires. Remove the anti-backflow plate, unscrew to screws. Unplug the hotend wires. Take off the silicone sleeve. Remove the hotend, unscrew to screws. Install the new hotend, ensure proper assembly, and tighten to screws. Plug in the hotend wires, ensure proper alignment with the port. Install the silicone sleeve. Fix the fan, tighten to screws. Arrange the wires on both sides to avoid damage from extrusion. Install the fan cover, tighten to screws. Tighten the screws to fix the nozzle bus fixed block. Plug in the power cord and power on. Insert the filament. Click Preparation. Filament. Extrude. OK. Observe whether the filament feeding is smooth. Click Retract. Waiting for filament retraction to complete. Click Settings, Self-Check. Select All and start detecting. Wait for the machine self-check to complete.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.